Welcome to the Cornudas Crawfish, Boil, and Car Show. Weather hit us today, but we're rain or shine. Got the band playing and some crawfish cooking. Woo. Check this out. First batch is ready. Everything you need in there: corn, onion, sausage, crawfish, potatoes. We do it right in Cornudas. Lots of flavor.
Cause when a Texan fancies, you take his chances. Well, chances will be taken now, that's for sure. And the money out there was eyeing the price. Some people call man look good way. They said you're from down south when you open your mouth. You always seem to put your foot there. I wanna go home with the armadillo. Good country music from Amarillo and Abilene, with the prettiest people and the prettiest women you ever seen. Yeah, I wanna go home with the armadillo. Good country music from Amarillo and Abilene, with the prettiest people and the prettiest women you ever seen. Cause I wanna go home with the armadillo. Good country music from Amarillo and Abilene, with the prettiest people and the prettiest women you ever seen. Thank you. Well, there's some big black clouds that's floating from away. I've been driving all day, Lord, I sure could use some rain. But there's more time up ahead where I can unwind. Cause the sure love thunderstorms and neon signs. I do a look on the road from town to town. When my daddy's line of work kept us moving around, I got fond memories of the way things were back then. Well, the warmth of the neon and the cold storm moving in. Listen to the opera in a small cafe. We'll stop to get a bite along the way. Where I heard those wheels begin to run, it takes me back to another time. I got a real nice ring of the radio and TVs. When it gets here late till 11, it's the only life for me. And it looks like it'll be raining for quite some time. But mixed with the lightning was a glow from a neon sign. Well, there's some big black clouds that's blowing it from the wind. Well, I've been driving my boy, Lord, I sure could use some road. Well, there's a motel up ahead that I can wind. There's a sure up thunderstorm and neon sign. There's a sure love thunderstorm and neon sign.
He escaped?
He did. Should we use him for a mascot?
Well, the rain hit us. I think we already got probably 30 cars out there. I was thinking we're gonna have like 200, but weather is weather. We'll see. There's at least 30 out there. Cars, trucks, classic. We got a John Deere tractor, motorcycle, some semi trucks, muscle cars. Good turnout for the rain.
How much corn is it?
1 corn per plate, 2 pounds of crawfish.
Okay.
Give them some sausage and some onions in there. Food scale is
Yeah.
right there, yep.
Sausage.
It's in here. Corn, 4 sausages,
Right now.
ounces. It'll be 32 ounces.
32 ounces?
Yep. That's crawfish. 1 corn, 4 sausage.
Oh, we got another one.
Yes, sir, Mom.
Nice.
We're going, throwing gator out here. Throwing down.
Here is the piece. I'm gonna tape it right here.
Nice.
Look at that, man. Gator tail right there.
I missed it. Hold on.
You ready? Okay. That's gator tail right here.
Give me a change. Give me something to love. At least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom.
Welcome to Cornudas!
I got people trying to tell me when.
Straight grubbing. Big Back University, full effect. 4 plates.
We got all
We got the 4 plates, baby.
4 plates.
That's right on. Represent. Big Back University is here.
Rain isn't stopping people. We've probably gone through 100 pounds of crawfish so far, 50 pounds of shrimp. Got some people still showing up. Just took some crawfish off the boiler, do a little inventory check, and keep the crowd going. That line is actually really backed up right now. Wow. I underestimated the line. We need to pick it up.
After this, there's 1 tray of pork chops left.
Okay. Yeah, let's get more on.
I'm gonna disappear then.
Like that.
5 minutes.
Have traditional raffle tickets, just your 1 or 2 inch wide little raffle tickets. We're passing those out. I need everyone to pay attention. 8 tickets per person is what something come see me or my team up at the table. We'll get you taken care of. Great job, by the way, man.
Now 130. 130, you're out, so 130, then now 40. 140, now 150. 150, now 60. 160, now 70. 170, 170, 170, 1 down, I'm at 65. I'm 65, 970. 170, now 5. 75, 175, 175. Now 80. 180, 185 now. Now 190. 190, 190, 190. 190, 190, 190, are we done? 190, now 200 now, not 210, 210, down 15, now 20, 220, 220, 220, 220, 1 pound, you give it 220, now 30, 230, 230, 230, now 40, 240, you give it 240, look in the rackets over there, 241 pounds, 240, you give it 240, now 50, that's 2.5, 250, you give it 212, now 260, 261 down, you give it 260, 260, 260, are we done? 260, I have sold it, 250. Come over here with me, buddy. I'll get his attention. Take it to him again.
Yeah, before we get started on that, folks, I do have some CDs. The CDs are $15. I'll get them up here in a minute. And $5 of that $15 goes to the kids' toy drive. And there's some up there in the front. And I think they're about where you buy your ticket to your meal.
Now 40, at 140, 141 down, now 50, 150, 150, 150, 151 down, 150, 150, now 60, 160, 1 down, 160, 160, 160. You like CDs, don't you? Well, buy it. You want 60 one time, now 70, 170, 170, 170, 170, 170, 170, now 80, 180, 180, 180. Okay, I'm gonna help you out again this time, just this time, 175, 170, 180, now 90, 190 right there, yeah, 190, 190, 190, 190, 190, are you done? 190, I have sold it to you for 180. Yeah, the CD Queen. 275 now, 300 on the money, now 325. At 325, I'm going to give it 325. I got 300 back there, I need 3 1/4. At 325, I'm going to give it 325. On the 300, 3 1/4, now 3 1/2. At the 3 1/2, yeah, so 3 1/2, 350. At 350, 1 pound, give it 315, 315, well, don't look at it. 350, 1 pound, give it 350, 350. What's in the back of something? If you give me 350, I'll get 375 back there, 350, 1 time. Now 375. At 375, I'll get about 375. Let's have 375, we get 375, 375, 375, now 400. Now 400, 1 time, you give me 4. Hey man, they got $700 at Walmart. But it's a steal, that's a steal. At 400, give it go. 400, give it go. 400, give it go. 400, give it go. 400, 1 down, give it go. I'll play a song for you. I'll tell you what, I need 375, I'll take 380 from you. 1 time, 380, give it 380. You 380. 380, 1 down, give it 380. 380. I have sold it your way for 375. Thank you, sir. Where's he at? Well, pick up your hand. Right there, back there in the back. There you go. All right, buddy. I'm going to your funeral.
I think we got it going, don't we?
Which way you going?
I can't read the name, so we're going to draw another one.
Jeez.
Joyce Coleman, Cornudas, Texas.
Joyce.
Is she here?
I don't think she needs to be, does she?
No, she's not here.
Yeah.
I'd be here. I just want to see the look on her face.
If y'all want to keep donating, we'll still do the Cash App stuff and all that good stuff. We really appreciate you guys.
Thank you, Arvin. All right, now for the main event here, we have the car show winners. To each category, I got $250 in cash and a little custom-made trophy for y'all. We have 4 categories. We'll start, where do y'all want to start? Let's see. Okay, we'll do the muscle because that one was kind of the most straightforward. There wasn't as many entries, and it really came down to 2 on the muscle, and it was pretty close. Okay, so the winner of the muscle was the Chevy Chevelle by Dean Galuck. Galuck? Congrats to Dean. Dean, are you here? You come. I'd like to get a photo with you, hand you a trophy, give you some cash. Let's go to the open next, because that one was interesting. And that one was very close. Funny enough, I got my camera guy, Frankie, here. Appreciate him and all of his help. Hope some of y'all got on camera. He came in second with the BMW, and I'm kind of happy because if he won, that would have been awkward. But okay, so the winner of the Open was Mr. Neil Wiggins with the yellow Porsche. That's what y'all wanted, was the yellow Porsche. Is Neil here? He's here. He's staying in the... Come on up, man. Mr. Neil, got you a little trophy. I got $250 in cash in my pocket for you. Let me dig this out. 1, 2. Take those. Yeah, we'll get a little photo. 1 of those. 2 of those.
I'll be giving this back to you here for
Yeah, he says it's coming back to Cornudas. Mr. Neil, thank you, man.
Thank you, bud.
Congrats. All right, I want to save the classic for last because that one was epic. Straightforward, but there was a sneaky one that snuck in there that I was expecting. I wonder if my ops manager, Brian, who's a huge Cowboys fan, just went and dumped a bunch of tickets. The Cowboy bike came in second. It was close. The Kawasaki. I'm sorry, I can't find it on here. But the Cowboy bike came in second. The first place was number 5, the John Deere tractor, Mr. Ralph Sellers. That one's pretty unanimous. I mean, it's a bike, but you know, I think you may have had a chance in the Open too. Mr. Ralph, come on up here. Let me get you some cash. One of those. One of those. One of those. $250. Yeah, you know, that's old. Congrats, man. It's obviously a badass bike. Okay, the classic took me probably 15 minutes to count. Y'all just dumped a ton of tickets in there. And I know there was some crazy classic cars out there. And it was close, especially between, the top 3. That's why I wrote 3 of y'all down. So the third place of the classic was Mr. Damon West with the Impala. Cool car. Okay. Second place, which was very close to first, and I mean, we have a lot of Ford fans out here apparently. Second place was the '67 Mustang, which, you know, I don't even know how you choose between some of these personally. Okay, first place, also a Ford. I spoke to, I think, him earlier, Mr. Gerald Miller, who was telling me about his Bronco that's all souped up. The classic Ford Bronco, first place. Is Gerald out here? I know he's around. Oh, there he is. Did you just know you were gonna win? Is that why you were waiting? There you go, best classic. Let me get you some cash. 1, 2. One of those. 2 of those.
Thank you so very much.
Yeah, man. Congrats to you.
Thank you.
to all the people who came out from the car show, look, it's so hard to judge sometimes, and I appreciate everybody coming out here in the rain. I was very worried when we first opened up. I was like, there's gonna be 50 people here, but y'all really showed up. And next year, weather holds up, I think, I don't know, maybe we put 300, 400, 500 cars in here or do something crazy with the crawfish. So I hope y'all enjoy. Mr. Wayne West will carry on for however long he wants to go, and y'all enjoy, get some more food, and support charity if you can. And we appreciate everybody coming out.